Most sellers don't know Project Zero exists. Here's how to unlock it. So, if you're generating a lot of sales on Amazon, right? There's going to be issues with counterfeits, and you want to stop them before it happens. And what you want to do is go to Google, type in Brand Registry. It's going to be the second link, brandregistry.amazon.com. Click on that. Once you're there, you're going to go to here, go to Protect Project Zero. Now, you do need a trademark to even enroll in this. Once you go to Project Zero, it's going to say things like this. You can enroll your brand in Project Zero. If you're not eligible, it's going to tell you how to get eligible. And I do recommend contact. There's going to be a contact button, a support where you can contact them and say, hey, why am I not eligible? But anyway, you're going to click Get Started if you are eligible. And then it's going to take you to this page, right? Select one or more of your eligible brands. Just pick one of your trademarks. Right after that, Amazon, view and add trademarks, and then click Submit. After that, they're going to go through an approval process. And then once you're approved, then you're going to be set up for Project Zero. Now, the thing about Project Zero is you can start reporting people and Amazon just automatically approves it. So this is huge, right? Usually when you report a counterfeit, somebody at Amazon has to manually review it and approve or deny it. Now they have automations, so powered by Amazon's machine learning, automated protections will scan for you and then start just removing people. So Amazon's going to be automatically removing people. You have brands no longer need to contact us to remove counterfeit listings. So you have like full power to just remove people instantly on Amazon, which is a little crazy if you think about it, but that's nice. Okay. Next up is up to you. I believe this one's optional, is product serialization. Brands apply a unique code on every unit they manufacture for an enrolled product, allowing Amazon to scan and confirm the authenticity of every one. This is a little bit annoying. With this, we have a lot of clients doing product serialization, and now they want to stop doing it because Amazon messes up. But these first two benefits are huge. And especially since Amazon's automatically removing fakes for you, like they're pretty much enrolling that AI juice. So this is pretty much how you can get ahead on Amazon. If you see so many fakes popping up, this is what you need to do. That's pretty much the overview on how to get enrolled, right? So definitely test that out, get enrolled, get approved. And if you are stuck on Amazon, you're like, look, I'm not getting approved, I'm not being able to get enrolled, right? You can contact us. There's a link right in the description. You can also get a free listing audit. Well, we'll look at your listing. You can send us your trademark, all stuff like that. We'll look at your competitors, see which ones we can knock down, or see what you can do to improve your listings and generate more sales. We're here to help you, but that's it for today's video. Or more Amazon videos. Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us. And we do have a full Amazon account management service. Well, we'll manage all of your infringement, your counterfeits, analyze Amazon, eBay, Walmart, start kicking fakes off everywhere, and even from the source on Alibaba. We help manage your inventory, designs, ads, and make sure your sales are growing on a regular basis so you can focus on managing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.